So I just ordered this hairball trimmer, or clothes shaver if you want to call it, and I like it because it's really cute and have some rose gold details, and you can charge it, so I think it's a bonus. You don't need to use batteries. And I want to see if it's worth anything. I want to see if it's actually doing the job. So I'm going to take a shirt that I have forever, and I want to see if I can just make it better. So this is my shirt, and as you can see, it has some white balls on the fabric. It's definitely old and seen better days. So I'm just going to try now to make it new. So let's see if it's working. So I can definitely see that some of the balls are being removed, and I can see that it looks better. It's definitely need more work. It's not like a few seconds and voila, you have a new shirt. But it's definitely doing the job. I can definitely see improvements. So I'm just gonna show you. This is the fabric now, and you see there's less balls where I worked on it. So I just want to do now another one that I have. I have a coat that I had forever, and I don't want to toss it away because I love it. It's from H&M that I bought many years ago, and I just want to see if I can fix it. So as you can see, I have so many these fabric balls, and I'm going to try now. Okay, so I've been doing it for a few minutes and I definitely see some improvement. However, I think you need to invest more time to make it perfect, but it's definitely taking off all these little balls. So it's doing the job, so I'm pretty happy with that. But I definitely going to sit for at least 20 more minutes in order for it to look really, really good. Oh yeah, so you can definitely see all these little balls inside here. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that this is a 2-for-1 because it also have this. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this and other solutions, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon.